How to download and install Windows 7 from flash drive. Connect a USB flash drive to your computer. Download the Windows 7 Setup ISO. Download the Windows 7 USB/DVD download tool. Download link in video description. Install the Windows 7 USB/DVD download tool. Open the Windows 7 USB/DVD download tool. Select the Windows 7 ISO file. Click USB device. Select the USB flash drive and click Begin copying. Restart your computer. Immediately press F2 key when it restarts. Click Boot Options menu. Select USB drive or removable drives. Click Yes when prompted. Select your language, then click Next button. Click the Install Now button. Accept the license term, then click Next button. Select the Custom Installation option. Select the hard drive partition, then click Next button. Install Windows on your preferred hard drive and partition after, then click Next button. Remove the USB drive. Click Restart Now button. Type your username and computer's name and click Next. Type your password and click Next. Enter your product key, then click Next. Choose your Windows Update settings. Set your time and time zone. Set your network type.